it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
එල්ලනේ මොකද? එල්ල තමයි. නෑ දුංගිද බලන්න යන්න. අපි එතනට යන්න. අපි 6ට දෙබේ රෑ වෙන්න කලින් යන්න ඕනේ. මේ අපිට යනවා. ඔය ළඟ යනකොට තවත් යන්න ඕනේ මං හිතන්නේ. තවත් යන්න ඕනේ. අම්මෝ වර
Yo, give it a stage in a minute, I'ma eat you. El professor is in the house, let me teach you. I could defeat you with 2 hands tied and have you waking in the hospital like, who am I? And who are you? Who are they? What is this? You wouldn't believe how someone react to this shit. The mind slips, and speaking in tongues. Fly ink, GVA, that's how we get it done. 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 Fly ink, GVA, that's how we get it done.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like a strange love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. You give me something that I can give you.
Wildlife resort එකට තමයි ඉන්නේ. උදේට කන්න ඉන්නේ තේ බිව්වා. කාලේ යන නාන්න තැනදී හම්බුනේ.
And I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down deep inside. And I feel like I don't need you.
Secret notable.
And all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't a good time when it's a darker sin. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down. And I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down deep inside. And I feel like I don't need you.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.